This is episode 387, Weekend Technical Analysis Crypto. Now, if you're catching the stream live, welcome. And if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. We really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button and that bell so you're notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us once the stream is done, join us on the Discord. Links in the description. So there's a link to Twitter. Y'all degens that like, DeFi projects, that's awesome, dude. I was talking about that with some people, like all these degens that are like going insane with DeFi. You know, that's all good, man. I like traditional crypto, some DeFi stuff, but yeah, I'm not going insane over DeFi. Anyways, like I said, thank you all for being here and being amazing followers and supporters of the stream. Happy Saturday, guys. I hope you're having a great time. Dudes, I need to finish setting up the stream, so as you know, it doesn't set up. Since I'm using Recast or Restream, Restream, it's not setting up to automatically with everything that I need to have here. So it takes me a little bit longer to get through. And as you know, I'm getting rid of the intro screen or the starting soon screen, and just keeping the stream off with me just talking with y'all. Ain't that great? I like that. I'm not sure if you guys are liking that format, but you know, at least I'm here in case you have any questions, and as you do that, you know, I'm still setting up, and I think it works fine for now, really. It's easy because some of the stuff that now I get requested to do prior to the stream starting here, or after the stream starting, it actually allows me to set up the stream properly, so that I also have less work to do once, you know, I'm done with this part, so that's great, man. So when the stream is done, I don't have to go and be fixing the video much afterwards. Well, that's pretty cool. On that note, I just gotta let some people know that we are live, and you know, we'll kick off the stream. There's no pre-stream requests. That's great. Yeah, not a lot going on here on the chat either, so it's awesome. It's awesome. Now let's check it out here and make sure I have everything covered. Someone joined. Someone said something on the chat. I'll check it out in a second. I cannot see who's chatting. I just saw something pop up. One brief second. Let's send that out here. Let's send that out here. Yo, we are live, world. There we are. Jake, how's it going, man? Thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. Thank you for letting me know with those little rockets that tell us that we're going to the moon. Now, what is happening with the world of crypto today, right? Look at market cap. Still managed to. If Bitcoin decides to rally, we could go on another rally, right? I just realized I'm not showing anything here on the screen. I'm not sure if the whole show just went like that. Yeah. Ha! You guys weren't able to see Jack. FML. Ain't that great? Yeah, I'm just gonna restart the stream, dude. No point in me talking about the charts if you guys can't see the charts. You know what? I'll keep on going. I'll edit it. So let's go back to Bitcoin. I think I trimmed stuff out here, so I'll do that. Bitcoin. What's happening with Bitcoin? Again, let's start from the beginning. Fuck, man. Market cap going higher. Yesterday managed to gain 1.41%. Today gaining 0.21%. Again, going for that $395.55 billion mark. We're rejecting it right now, sitting at $394.17 billion. Yesterday again gained 1.41%, 5.47 billion. That's amazing. On that, again, we're moving slightly down. Overbought, that's fine. What's happening with Bitcoin dominance? Bitcoin dominance coming in higher, but still starting to lose that dominance or flattening out. Again, I want to see this lose dominance. Not a lot happening since yesterday. Today gaining, or losing actually, sitting at 61.81% of market cap. What's happening with the price of Bitcoin? The price of Bitcoin, again, getting to this $13,196 area. Hitting that area, rejecting a little bit, that's fine. Not a lot happening there. Again, that bearish divergence, we shifted it from here to here. Strong bearish divergence over a larger period of time. On the 4 hour, right? Look, we have this gap. We went to this chart, checked it out. Look, there is data there. We're rejecting. Here on the chart, I have it at 13,141. We're right now at 13,159, so we're currently getting above that area again, but earlier on, we were below there. What's happening here on the 4 hour again? Bearish divergence, potential for action to the downside. Look, we're going from high to near high. Positive is positive, high on their side to lower point. Overbought at 75.15, and with that, we could be moving down So let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour, look, from high to low, low to high, hidden bearish divergence, potential action to the downside. We also have it against the RSI. Sitting bought at 66.99. So again, there's that potential for action to the downside here. Let's go to Ethereum. Ethereum, hidden bullish, potential action to the upside. Let's go on the daily first. On the daily, bearish divergence, right? Near the 1618. We're rejecting that area. We're also rejecting 418.31, which are areas that we've talked about before. We're just flirting with this area, getting lower and flagging. That's fine. Not a lot happening. Bought at 65.57 on the RSI. Let's go to the 4 hour. The 4 hour bearish divergence, right? We had it here. Action to the downside right now. We're starting to develop this hidden bullish divergence for potential stalling or action to the upside to happen. We're very close to the 20. We're actually taking a bounce at the 20, I do believe. Let's move that. Yeah, we're taking a bounce at the 20. So we could be trying to hit that 1618 again. Sitting bought at 65.06. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour chart, bearish, bullish divergence developing short term. Happening by 5 p.m. Strong, hidden bullish divergence. Price action to the upside, getting that rally, getting above the 20, which is great. On that note, there's really nothing else developing here on Ethereum. Again, just more or less moving sideways since yesterday. Let's go check out XRP. XRP at 25.56 cents. What's it doing, man? On the daily, not a lot, right? Bearish divergence still there, still waiting for it to play out. It's awesome. Just neutral 57.10 on the RSI. On the 4 hour, nothing happening, right? Look, move down, hit that 20, trying to find support there. Moving below the 20 right now, but we don't have anything that we can chart here. So on that note, we're just hitting neutral at 54.42 on the RSI. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Coming lower and lower here, right? Low, lower, low, negative, less negative. Strong bullish divergence, action to the upside. I missed calling this one out yesterday. I said it earlier. You're not going to see it because I'm going to snip that part of the video because I realized I just had the full screen on and you could only see me, but you could not see the charts. So on that note, the first half of the stream, it's trash. So I'm going to have to delete it. Anyways, bullish, moving up, getting above the 20, which is great. High, higher, high, negative, less negative, low on the other side to a higher point. Not a lot going on there. Let's go to Litecoin. What's happening with Litecoin on the daily? Bearish divergence, right? Move down on that, found support, taking a bounce. That's great. We had divergence to here. We went slightly higher. That's all good. Yesterday, managing to gain 6.97%. Right now, sitting at $58.68. On that note, everything's going higher. Overbought here at 73.01. So we could be coming down on that. I do believe there's bearish divergence on shorter time scales. Look, strong bearish divergence, right? Going higher on the price with less positive momentum, lower on the other side. Strong bearish divergence, action to the downside. We can move down on the 4 hour, maybe head for that 20. When we get to the 20, that 20 being right now at 56.06, and it'll keep on shifting as the 4 hour candles keep on progressing. But that will be the move on the bearish divergence. Again, we bought at 72.97, and with bearish divergence strong on the 4 hour. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour chart, we didn't have much to go on. Just here, very short term. We're developing that strong bearish divergence also. For price action to the downside, we've moved down. We've hit that 20, and we're taking a bounce, which is good. Slight bounce, it just means we don't want to go lower right now. But if we keep on testing the 20, we very likely will break through it. On that note, we don't have anything else going on. Just neutral at 58.11 on the RSI. Let's go check out Binance, which is at $30.73. What's happening here? We had the bearish divergence, action to downside, then we created the bullish. Managed to get above the 20 right now, flirting with that 20. Not quite touching it, but really failing to take off from it and just sideways motion for the last 2 days. Look at this, right? Most of the price has been within this range, so a couple cents. We have wicks, but mainly spinning tops, so not a lot happening. Neutral at 59.35 on the RSI. Let's go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, we had the bearish divergence. We moved down on that. Again, look at that sideways motion. Hitting that 20, finding support there, which is good. Low, higher, low, negative, less negative. Low on the other side to a higher point. Nothing else happening here. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. What's happening on the 1 hour? The 1 hour, dude. We came lower. Do we have something here? 79, 89. So lower, more negative. Lower on the other side. That's great. Nothing there. We took a bounce. That's great. High, lower, high, lower, high, lower, lower. That's all good here. Not a lot happening. I'm not really going to get into the detail here. It's not... Yeah, from here. We could. Alright, it's going slightly higher. Coming in slightly lower. Yeah, it works from here, right? Look, from here to here. And from here to here. Some strong bearish divergence against the MACD on Binance. With that, we could be expecting potential movement to the downside. Still yet to be determined. Again, hitting that 20 and taking a bounce. That's what we want to see when we hit the 20 as support. On that note, that's it for Binance. I want to go check out DVT. What is happening with DVT, man? Sitting at 33.5 sats, which is a good price to get into this project, actually. Let's look at this at the MACD. MACD. Let's get also here the RSI. Alright, so what's happening here with the MACD and the RSI? You can hear my kids screaming in the background. They're going nuts, man. Right on. So, look, we're coming sideways here. We're going in, right? So, going sideways like that, and then definitely coming in here like that, right? So, boom. Type 2 bullish divergence. We also have it here again. Type 2 bullish divergence. Potential for action to the upside. That's about it, though. Not a lot happening. Failing to take off, really. Wondering why it should be taking off. We had divergence. And we've been calling it for a while now, right? Even from here to here, from here to here, and then from here to here. It's just not taking off. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Let's see what's happening here on the 4 hours. Sorry, guys. Wife's getting super pissed at the fact that kids don't want to go to sleep. They're just going insane. That's it. Anyways, what's happening here? Look. Low, lower, low, right? Look at this. We're coming in lower. Going from negative momentum to less negative momentum, right? On the other side, it's fine. We're going lower now. So we no longer have any kind of bullish divergence there. But we have strong bullish divergence against the MACD with potential for price action to the upside. Again, just failing to take off. So let's see how this is going to keep on playing out for DVT. Let's go on the daily. On the daily, right? Look, we've talked about this before. That move from here to here. Move from here to here, right? And the move from here, which is at negative 29, and here at 30, so again going slightly higher. So strong bullish divergence. Again, moving down, but failing to drop lower than this area. That could be interpreted as bullish, and we could be waiting for a movement to the upside, right? That's how I would be interpreting this. And with that, that's going to be it for DVT. Let's go do Cardano real quick. What has happened with Cardano? Again, let's go to daily. Bearish divergence, move down, that's fine. Not a lot since yesterday. Again, spinning top today. Also, not a lot happening. Neutral at 55.97 on the other side. Let's go to the 4-hour chart here. On 4-hour chart, bullish divergence action to the upside in that rally. Coming in higher, more positive momentum higher on the other side. We're going higher. Yeah, I think we're at 65.53, 64, 65.37. So we are coming in slightly lower here. And here we are going slightly higher. I don't think I took that measure yesterday, maybe. But again, bearish divergence for potential action to the downside. Yeah, we moved down, hit that 20, taking that bounce, rejecting the 20, right, consistently, but again, failed to really take off, and with that, we just broke below. Low, higher, low, negative, low on the other side to a higher point. Neutral at 50.24, not a lot happening since. We haven't developed anything else. Let's go to the 1 hour. We might have something there. Oh, I forgot to anchor that in the 4. Damn it. That's from the 4, and this one's from the 4, I think. So what's going on here, right? Look, low, higher, low, right, on the 1 hour chart here. Just anchor this to the 1 hour, there we go. And then we're going from here to here, right? And then from here to here. And with that, we are creating this hidden bullish divergence, price action down. So we're rallying, that's fine. High, lower, high, positive, high, lower side to lower point. Nothing happening here. Moving down here into 20, trying to rally again, that's fine. We haven't created anything bearish, but again, we're just moving sideways over the 100% retrace of the previous high. That would be this one here. On that note, that's going to be it for Cardano. There's not a lot going on with it. Again, crypto has been kind of slow today, not a lot of movements. And with that note, I'm going to go and move to check out RSR, man. RSR waiting for that move to that 16-cent area, right, or so, 69. We're getting above 15.18, which is okay, finally today, which is good. I mean, we're still climbing on that. We haven't traded anything bearish here, so just bought at 61.43. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. What's happening here again? Look, we're looking for that bearish divergence, right? We managed to go slightly higher here, also slightly higher here. I think we might have killed that bearish divergence. 75.79 and 75.79, and here we were at 75.90, 75. Yeah, slightly higher. So we got rid of it. Awesome, dude. right? Last thing we had is bullish divergence. That's what's rallying us up and on this movement, right? Look, we killed the bullish divergence, right? Low, higher, low, negative, less negative, low on the other side to a higher point. Everything's good there. Now we're coming from a high to equal length, equal high almost, still slightly lower right now. But what's going to happen is we're going to go higher, and then we're going to start coming in lower here, right? Or lower here in the positive momentum. And if we don't create a lot of positive momentum, we're going to create that bearish divergence. Strong bearish divergence is going to break us down, right? We're going to go higher in the price, but have less positive momentum and be much lower here also on the RSI. On that note, we're overbought at 67.10. And since there's no other requests out, that's going to be it for tonight. Thank you guys for watching again. If you like what we do, you know what to do. Hit that like, that bell, and that sub again. Thank you for being part of the stream. Thank you for watching today on Saturday. Whoever watched. If you catch the replay, that's awesome as well. Like I said, thank you all for being here. I hope you like what we do. Again, I told you guys it was going to be a short stream. It's just there's no one here. There's no interaction going on. And there's really not a lot going on with crypto right now. On that note, that's going to be it for tonight. I'll catch you tomorrow for another edition of The State of Crypto. Until then.